Today I'll talk about total productive maintenance. This is part of my series of lectures on operations management. Already there are lectures on machine maintenance and machine management as a part of my operations management, and these include machine maintenance, reliability analysis, machine maintenance, preventive maintenance, machine maintenance, breakdown analysis. In these, I have described in detail about machine maintenance. Today, I'll talk about total productive maintenance. These topics are related, and total productive maintenance or TPM is very similar to total quality management or TQM. So, let us see further. So, there are these types of maintenance: breakdown maintenance and preventive maintenance. Preventive maintenance includes either periodic maintenance or predictive maintenance. So TPM or total productive maintenance, it is an innovative concept developed by Japanese manufacturers that operates according to the idea that everyone should participate in maintenance rather than just the maintenance team. The goal of TPM is to increase production while increasing employee morale and customer satisfaction. Both TPM and TQM require total commitment by high level management and empowerment of employees. So, these are the achievements of TPM. There is, if we implement TPM at our institution or organization, there is usually no breakdown, no small stops or slow running, no defects, no accidents, cost reduction, minimize wastage, simplifying work process, improving employee as well as customer satisfaction, morale enhancement, space saving, productivity and quality improvement, and delivery on time. So these are the achievements by TPM. Now let us see what are the losses in production. There may be sporadic losses and there may be chronic losses. The sporadic loss are usually all of a sudden and they are more in magnitude, whereas chronic loss are long term and they are less in magnitude. So TPM eliminates six big losses, and these include scrap loss, startup loss, speed loss, minor stoppages, changeover, and breakdowns. So these losses are eliminated by implementation of TPM. So what are the steps in implementation of TPM? The step one is preparatory stage. Here we announce in our institute that we are implementing TPM and we prepare for TPM. Then there is introduction stage, then implementation stage, and then institutionalizing stage. These are the eight pillars of TPM. The underlying very basis of TPM is autonomous maintenance, then Kaizen, then planned maintenance, then quality maintenance, then training, then office TPM, then safety, health, and environment. And the foundation is 5S. I have taken this image from this internet site. So these are the eight pillars of TPM which I have already listed. And these are in addition other pillars which have been described in various publications on TPM. And these include early equipment management, that is right at design time, focused improvement, and continuous improvement. These are 5S in Japanese term, and this is English translation. So these include organization of workspace, tidiness, cleaning, standardization, and discipline. There are certain disadvantages of implementation of TPM. TPM is time consuming and challenging to implement. Now let us see in brief about Fugai tags. Fugai means deviation or abnormality. There are three types of Fugai tags: safety, operator, and maintenance tags. Safety tag is everyone for everyone. Operator tag is these require anyone from non-maintenance, that is operators, supervisors, cleaners, sanitation, staff to fix the abnormality. Maintenance tag, these require electricians, mechanics, etc. to fix the abnormality. Then there is log of these tag is kept, and this is the image of the tag from this internet site, and there are various other shapes of tag. So this is all for today. Thank you very much.